President of the European Parliament, Roberta Metsola.
Good morning, President. Nice to meet you. Thank you for the warm welcome. It's been a beautiful day for you. Not bad. Yeah, we're working it. Thank you. We've been working on the weather all week for you. I never got it back. Your third one. Really? Yeah. Oh, that's brilliant. This is my, you've made it your own, which is nice. I am. I'm learning how to untidy my table. Yeah. But that's a sign of a hard work. Very good.
Can I introduce you to Jeroen Lenners, who represents the European People's Party?
Very nice to meet you. Thanks for the hospitality.
Why don't you go here? Welcome to our...
Thank you so much.
This is Iracha Garcia Perez, who is our leader of the Social Democrats.
Lovely to meet you.
Thank you so much.
You have a busy schedule.
Oh, yes.
You keep you busy and hard working.
I would like to thank you for your
Commitment con the international law to the state solution and Palestinian people. Thank you so much.
This is Kina Gal. She's co-chair of the Patriots Group.
Lovely to meet you. Have you been to Ireland before?
Yes. Yes.
If the weather is good,
Yes.
this is the rest.
This is Patrick Jaki. He's from the Conservatives Group. He's from Poland.
Oh, it's lovely to meet you. I think there's a number of people from Poland and are lovely people.
This one you know?
I don't know this one. I don't know this one.
Tátar an bud leatarí.
I know you're not in Fiji's port of no the king should on television.
In television.
How's your day, Billy?
Could have talked to Exocarush Dr. Hinlua? Or else I thought to regardless of it. Indeed, yes. So, Anaganok is
yes. But just to echo.
very good.
Yeah.
It's good, Billy.
I understood nothing. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm Jane from the Greens. Nice to meet you. Great to be here.
This is Manon Aubry.
Hi.
Lovely to meet you. Okay, this is Stoyanov. He's from the sovereignist group.
From the
Sovereignist group. He's from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Oh, lovely to meet you. Yeah. Have you been here before?
Yes.
All of everybody.
This is Alessandro Crocetti, who's the Secretary General of the European Parliament.
You're not the politician, but you're the most important person then, aren't you? The politician, that's to be debated.
I'm not.
I'm not sure about that, but there is. I'll have to think about that.
I try not to do politics. I have to live with it, but...
Can we record you?
Yes,
It says it.
I said it, I can repeat it.
Yeah.
Present is our ambassador, Ambassador Angelo. Just
Lovely to
very
meet
much.
you. We didn't meet before.
No, we didn't.
Lovely to meet you.
Delighted to be here and lovely to meet you.